Vehicle connector and plug braking capacity and normal operation testing machine. Put it into the car socket. Locking screw. Sample socket access terminal. Put in the charging plug. Clamp the charging plug. Manual forward charging plug close to car socket. Fine-tune the charging plug in car socket. Plug the charging plug into the car plug. Lock the charging plug completely. Adjust the pressing cylinder. Lock the cylinder nut. The power cord of the charging plug goes through the hole on the left of the device. Connected to the terminal on the left side of the device. Reset. Start test. Control screen display position parameter change. Parameter. Compliance standards IEC 62196-1 2020 Clause 22 and Clause 23. IEC 60309-1 2012 Clause 20 and Clause 21. Sample clamping method mechanical clamping. The position of clamping point can be adjustable. Test frequency 0 to 10 cycles min. Can be preset 3.75 cycles min is equal to 7.5 stoke min. Customized station. PLC intelligent integrated control. Drive mode. Servo motor drive. Linear stroke. 0 to 100 can be preset. Conduction time 0 to 99. 9 second. Can be preset. Insertion and separation speed. 0 to 0. 85 meters s can be preset. Default 0.8 plus or minus 0.1 ms. Test contents braking capacity and normal operating live test. Application. Charging interfaces and plugs. Car socket outlets and couplers. Machine structure. Intelligent. The test requirements can be preset. And the test station can be customized. Safety, full thickness steel structure box. Longer life. Safer use. Accurate, imported high precision digital display instrument. Accurate detection. Simple, fixture position can be adjusted arbitrarily. Easy to operate. Presettable. IEC 62196. Customizable. Thanks for watching.